whenever you're driving, you want to make sure that you keep the forks about 3 inches off the ground. You're always going to want to have them up about 3 inches and tilted back. Now we're outdoors right now, so it might be wise to have it a little bit further off the ground just to avoid any uneven spots, rocks, gravel, anything you might happen to run into. When you're indoors, you'll be driving with them about 2 or 3 inches off the ground. It doesn't have to be perfect. My OSHA likes it to be between 2 inches and 4 inches. So 3 inches is just what I like to teach because it's just a nice common area to keep it. So if you drive like that, forks tilted slightly up, keep from puncturing anybody in the stomach, upper legs, things like that. Now it's also important you count so they know that you're coming, but if you do drive like that, it's quite a bit safer.